yeah, we go to ChatGPT. Let's see what I've said. I've asked them to explain to me, could you help me understand what a behavior tree looks in Unreal Engine for an AI enemy is and how it works? Please explain it to me like I'm 5. And then ChatGPT said, imagine you're playing with a toy robot that can perform different actions like walking, turning, or stopping. To make the robot act like a guard in a game, you need to tell it when to walk around, when to chase someone, or when to stop. In Unreal Engine, a behavior tree helps game creators set up these instructions for computer-controlled characters like enemy robots so they know what to do and when to do it. So behavior tree is like a flowchart made of simple building blocks. It's basically like a visual version of coding, similar to like what you have in Two Boom Harmony for rigging. Tasks, these are basic actions like move forward or turn left. Sequences, these tell the characters to do tasks in a specific order. For example, first look around, then walk forward. Selectors, these help the character choose what to do based on what's happening. If the character sees a player, it might choose to chase. If not, it might patrol. By connecting these blocks, you create a plan for the enemy character, guiding it on how to behave in different situations. This setup makes it easier to design complex behaviors by combining simple actions, ensuring the character responds appropriately during the game. And then ChatGPT sent me a great an explanation on how enemy AI behavior trees work. But yeah, at the moment I am watching, where is it? I'm watching this one by Ali, I can't say his surname, but this is the one that Mustafa sent me and recommended that I look at, these tutorials. So smart enemy AI and looking at behavior trees, and I'm just literally copying this tutorial exactly. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. So I've set up the enemy character and the hero character. So this is our hero character. As you can see in Unreal Engine, over there is the enemy, and then there is an extra duplicate playable character, but she's not moving, she's static. So I had a bit of trouble like trying to figure out how to rotate them, just because the tutorial I was using, oh yeah, I'm moving it by the way, I'm just using these keys. So this is the playable character, there's the enemy, but I did have some problems like turning the characters when I was trying to set it up, but then I figured it out just by asking ChatGPT. The way you do it is you press E and then you're able to turn the axis of the characters. But yeah, it's pretty cool. You can move her around. These are the default Unreal Engine characters, playable characters, but it's really sick to be able to control my character like this. So yeah, I'm really excited. So I'm going to keep following the tutorial, probably going to do that for the rest of the weekend, and then add an AI to the enemy character, and hopefully it will be able to follow me, and yeah, it should be sick. But yeah, this is really cool. I'm having a lot of fun. Another thing that my character can do is jump when I press the space bar. So yeah, I'm really excited. I can play around with that and have her jumping around. She actually jumps really well, like it's very fluid. But yeah, Unreal Engine is pretty sick with the game mechanics. I forgot to jump. It's hard to do it with one hand because I'm holding the tablet up. But yeah, it's really cool. It's very slick, the design. So yeah, I'm very excited. Whoop. Wow. So cool. Had a bit of a problem-solving moment. So before, when my character went up to my enemy, the camera would clip to like their groin area, which was really annoying when it went around it. So I tried to follow the tutorial, which was to, wait a minute, let me pause this. So, pause. Go to my enemy base, and then from here you go to mesh character. And then you have to go down to, here we go, collision, and then this one. So, no, not this one. Which one was it? It was, Yeah, it was here, Collision Presents. So originally it was on, let me open it. It will let me do it. Here we go. Come on. I think this is, wait, the reason why it's not letting me do it is because of this. So press no, and then we're able to go into it. But yeah, that was one of the main reasons. I wasn't able to change this menu. It wouldn't let me, and I was like, why is it not letting me change it? And so I was clicking over here, thinking maybe I was on the wrong one. It was not that, it was because I didn't press stop here. So yeah, and then I was able to change it, the settings here, and change the collision presents to custom, and then from custom you go down to where is it, camera, and it was on block, but then you change it to ignore camera, and then you do the same for the capsule component, and yeah, now my character doesn't clip when I go near it. So just show you, yeah, so the camera doesn't clip anymore, which is great. So a little bit of a problem solving moment. I've done some, well, I'm trying to get the AI rigs for the at least the commands for the enemy. At the moment it's not working, so I'm going back in here, then going to oh, not this one, sorry, this one, and then what was it? It was, I forgot what I did. I did a command. Anyway, made it big, covered the entire arena, and then all this green that you can see is where the character and the enemy, well, sorry, the enemy can go now. So yeah, can't go on the blue bits though. So there's specifically for the playable character and not the enemy. Yeah, it works. My enemy follows me. Yeah, so I got the input, I put the input right, but yeah, it's controlled. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, it waits for 2 seconds and then it follows me, so it chases me, my playable character. So I'm just gonna see if it comes up here. Hey, it does, great, that's awesome. Jump down too? No, it goes round, that's awesome. Yeah, so if I wait, yeah, it's following. Yeah, so that's all done. It's pretty cool. It was let me bang, pause it. Don't know why it always, whenever I pause it goes straight to the crotch shot, but whatever. But yeah, I managed to get the nodes for the command settings by watching the tutorials and understanding commanding it to do that, and also oh god, good grief, come on, there we go, and making sure that I directed and put the mesh in to show where, well, tell the enemy AI to where to go, where it could go. The only things that can't go on are the blue blocks. Those are specifically for the playable character. So yeah, that was pretty cool.